Hi, my name is Franz, and in this video I would like to introduce you our Marketing Insider tool. But before I get to it, I have to talk a little bit about search engine. Now, I know the subject could be a little overwhelming, but trust me, I'm not going to focus on the details. Instead, what I really would like to do is I would like to emphasize how they work. So let's begin, shall we? Essentially, search engines have two major functions. They have to collect data in order to provide data. To collect data, they have to crawl the web, and then they have to build something that is called index. Only then they will be able to provide information. So let's try this in our search engine. I'm going to select Google because 68% of the internet users prefer Google over other search engines. As you can see, they have this very clean and unique looking, which is very friendly to navigate and very easy to use. For this demonstration, I'm going to type the keyword doctor. As you can see, there's only organic result because I was not very specific with my search. But let's change that. Let's type eye doctor. Behavior for the behavior change, and I will explain why. On top and in the sidebar, these are advertisers, and the organic result that we saw before on top is actually here. That means that if you want to be located in the red zone, you have to do it through Google AdWords. And if you want to be in the organic results, you actually have to just use those keywords in your content. Now that we are in the same page about organic results versus paying results, let's go and take a look at Google AdWords. So Google AdWords has this very interesting tool called Keyword Planner. And Keyword Planner, what we're going to do is I'm going to type the keyword doctor, just the way that we did in the search, and I'm going to get some ideas. So as you can see, information, there's a lot of information here. But ultimately they said average monthly searches, which is very important. Let me tell you why. When I start doing a little more research or using this tool, let's say I want to focus in specific keywords. For instance, I want to be very specific, and I want to type, let's say, the perfect eye doctor in my area, just for demonstration. So when we call this is what happened. We got this message saying, oops, we cannot display search volume charts. Please try searching for a different keywords. Now, I think in my search, I type a lot of keywords, and it was rich in keywords. Now let's type these keywords in the search engine. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to go to the search engine, and I'm going to paste this. Now look at what happened. It behaved in a different way. Everything, all the results are organic, and the advertiser go on the side. Now, why you should keep this in mind? Well, if you think about it, long tail keywords, there is nothing wrong with that. In fact, long tail keywords will tell us exactly what people want and how they want it. So you may want to consider those keywords in your website because that could attract potential customers, in this case, potential patients. Now let's take a look at Marketing Insider. With Marketing Insider, you can start targeting a specific location if you want, and then use the search box as the search engine. So in this case, we're going to type the keyword doctor, just the way that we did it before. As you can see, the result will come up as icons instead of paragraph. Now, this will tell us, or this will show us, our direct competitors in this particular location. Although we don't know exactly in what position they are located in the search engine, it is important to recognize that they are direct competitors. Now, we also have autocomplete. Autocomplete is in the search box is the same thing that is integrated in Google search engine. Now what I will do is I'm going to type the keyword a little more I'm going to be a little more specific with keywords eye doctor, and once again icons change, locations change as well, of course, and it's showing different name, different facilities, different doctors, and that will give you a better idea about your competitors. Now, the industry, let's switch this industry. Instead of focusing on eye doctors, let's try pizza. So if we do pizza in this location, then we see that there are different locations. These are relevant, these results are relevant to the keyword that I'm using right now in order to do my search. Now, this applies pretty much to every market. This is the way that it works, very simple. But essentially, it's showing us our direct competitors. Now, we don't really want to focus too much in our competitors, but rather we want to focus in our potential customers. So that's why we integrate this in the end of the map. It's different search, and this is what people is typing with the keyword that is relevant to my market in this case. So we're going to do a search for pizza, and it will show us different results. These keywords are representing the real search from real people online in the last 30 days. Not only we can see the keywords, but we can also see the volume that happened. Now, if we start looking at this, you will see that there is a lot of potential to use this tool, and I'll tell you why. As you can see, pizza is our main keyword, and the top results with volume are branding. Something that we shouldn't be surprised, because as you can imagine, they spend a lot of money in advertisement or in marketing. Now, we have to focus in those that are not that doesn't specify any branding, like Pizza Deal, for instance, 62,000 in the last 30 days. So if we use that, the same keywords in the same location, let's see what happens. Now, there's something that you have to be aware of. Corporations or big brands, they have their own sources to do great marketing, and in this case, Domino's Pizza, Domino's Pizza, Domino's Pizza, Pepsi Pizza, Domino's Pizza, Domino's Pizza, and this is the best example. That's telling you that Domino's Pizza, somehow they have access or they know this information, and that is why they are targeting these keywords. But volume is not always important. There's something important as well called long tail keywords. Now, long tail keywords is when you basically sacrifice your volume for a specific keywords, but it doesn't mean that it's not business there. Like, for instance, this case, New York pizza, it was 1,000 search in the last 30 days. So we're going to use it here and see what happens. The search change. It's no longer Domino's Pizza, apparently. Oh, there you go. So the search change, and we have more diversity. As you can see, Domino's Pizza is not targeting this keyword, and because they are looking for volume. However, these if you let's say if you have a pizzeria, these will be your direct competitors. So now that you have seen the essence of this tool, I hope you like it, and you are more than welcome to use it if you want to. Now, some specifics, sure. One search can give you up to 2,000 results per call. It will include real search volume per keyword, including low volume. You will see your direct competitors, and search trends and fresh data is always available. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video.